Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales showing you just a beautiful 64 Chevrolet Malibu SS. Car's very nice shape, come out of Nevada. You can see it's got a nice shine to it and good quality paint, not a lot of debris or anything, and nice and straight car. We put new American Racing torque thrust on it. Top's in good shape, no issues there. Windows nice and clear. Interior, as far as I know, doesn't need anything. We will be putting some seat belts up front. Right now it doesn't have any. Has factory tack, 21404. There's your gauges. Newer style OEM type stereo. This is a 4-speed car. So this is a V8 4-speed, was a factory V8 4-speed car. You can see the VIN. Like I said, no issues on the interior anywhere. Very nice. This car is just ready to go cruise. Said paint's nice quality. This car is nice enough to show. Chevelle classes are very tough, but this would be one you'd be proud of. Take to a local show, and you could possibly place. It is that nice. So not a lot of flaws in it that I see. Got a little scratch right there. Yep, got a little scratch right there. But that's about it. I mean, very, very nice car. And ready to go. 605-695-7391.